Today I want to show you how I'm cutting bulk stickers with vinyl cut and my AM vinyl cutter. So I have a client that wanted to say no hand towels in toilet. This is a very executive mobile toilet company and they have a problem and I'm going to solve it for them. So here I have my design. It says no hand towels in toilets and I'm simply going to duplicate the design so that I can cut this many times on my vinyl cutter. Now the vinyl cut program is excellent in this way, where I can set the amount of duplicates that I want and it automatically sets it up for me. So here we go, I've duplicated this and I can see that my initial mat size that I've made is a little bit too small, so I'm simply going to use custom size and just change the length of it. Now what I love about this vinyl cutter is I can cut as long as I want to. So the vinyl cutter that I've got, I can cut up to about 55-60 centimeters wide and then as long as I absolutely want and need. So here I am just putting my blade in. This is my vinyl cutter. And I've already got my pressure and my speed set up. And it's really simple and easy. I'm just putting my blade at the start position. And here we go. So it's really quick and easy. I don't even have to think twice about how this works. So then here we go. I just love how this vinyl cutter cuts. It cuts really, really well. It's simple, it's easy to use. It is an industrial style vinyl cutter, so I can cut many copies. And one of the reasons why I love this vinyl cutter is because it has so many industrial uses. Part of my business is that I make signage, large signage, small signage, big letters, small letters, big signs, small signs, mini stickers, one sticker, and I can do it all with this vinyl cutter. So here we go. So one of the reasons why I love this vinyl cutter so much is it's really reliable with its cuts, and once you've got the blade set up the way that it needs to cut on the vinyl, you can let it run and it runs perfectly each time. So as you can see, this is how it's cutting. So here we are. Here is the finished vinyl. So I'm just laying it down on my table and I'm pulling off the excess. So when I do my vinyl for bulk, I have designed my design with a block around each sticker, and this obviously just makes it really easy to weed out this big piece. Otherwise you're sitting pulling off little bits the whole time. So here I get to just pull off one big strip and I have all these little blocks that I can then weed out further.
I don't have to plan it, I can go change my fate. You won't understand it, all alone, that's okay. People, I can't stand them, they don't want me to change. Keep me where I'm standing, and I don't wanna be where I am. And I want something more, take a chance. It could be possibly my last dance, my last dance. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down.
So now that I've weeded out all the blocks, I can just go through the vinyl and I can pick out all these smaller pieces. So the little smaller pieces in all the O's and in the D's and in the A's. So this part does take time, and I'm not sure if there's an easier way or a quicker way. If you guys know a quicker way, maybe you can let me know in the comments down below, and I'll try that out in a video. But for now, what I've got is a piece of sticky tape around my finger, and I'm just picking out all the little bits, and then all the little bits I'm just sticking to the sticky tape around my finger. So here I am. As you can see, it's now really easy just to pull off the squares, because I got to remove the big piece, and now I can just go through and remove the smaller pieces. Here I am laying down my transfer tape. I'm starting at the middle, so I'm just taking out a piece that is long enough to fit over the one side, and I'm making sure that I have everything aligned correctly, and then I'll just press it down from the middle and squeeze it outwards. I'm just making sure that it's all lined up correctly. And there we go. I can just push it down with my hand, and then after that I will press it down with my squeegee. So this client ordered 60 of these, so I have done 60. I actually did a little bit more just in case I made a mistake or something happened or didn't cut correctly. I like to always do that just in case, because you don't want to have to go back to go and reset up the vinyl cutter after you've made your cuts. So it's better just to make a few extra, and then I also have a few test ones to give the customer so that in case they make a mistake, they can just be able to have some extra. So if you made it this far in the video, please comment down below the word happy toilet, and then I know that you watched to this far. If you have any ideas on how to make this faster or quicker, or if you loved it, what did you like about this video, I'd love to hear in the comments down below. And here I am just counting out, making sure that I actually have 60 of them. There were a few mistakes on this one, so that is why I have the extras at the side. And this is how they turned out. Really, really happy. The customer was really happy with them, and I wish I had a picture right now, but I'm sure I can arrange that and we'll see it on my Instagram. Yeah.